Good morning, children. In our last class, we have completed up to this particular line that there were little buttons such as you have for electric bells. So I told you in the in the previous class that I will tell you what was the purpose of those three electric bells. So today from that only we will start our lesson. So please pay attention that there were few electric buttons were there, and what is the purpose of those electric bells or buttons that we will start today. And on them, what you want to eat, what you want to drink, and what you want to read in silver letters. What is written on those electric bells? These three words been written on the three electric bells. First one is what you want to eat, what you want to drink, and what you want to read. So three things: what do you want to eat, what do you want to drink, and what do you want to read. Amabel pressed all the buttons at once. And what Amabel did, she pressed all the buttons at once, means within a few seconds she pressed all the three buttons, and instantly, suddenly, she saw on the cushion by her side a silver tray, silver in color, with vanilla ice cream, boiled chicken and white sauce, almonds, peppermint cream and mashed potatoes, and a tall glass of lemonade. So what she got for the eating, she got to have her meal, she got so many delicious food items. For example, ice cream was there, chicken was there with the sauce, white sauce, almond, peppermint cream, mashed potatoes were there, and for the drink she got a lemonade. So beside the tray was a book, and there was also a book which was, I think, for pressing this button, what do you want to read. So beside that silver tray having lots of delicious food and a drink item, there was a book also placed. And just as Amabel finished the last spoonful of ice and reached the last full stop of the book, the train stopped. So as soon as she finished the last scoop of her ice cream and she stopped reading the last line of her book, suddenly the train stopped. And hundreds of railway officials in white velvet shouted, "Where you want to go to? Get off here." So she found a station over there where hundreds of railway officials means railway employees who were wearing white velvet colored clothes, they were shouting that where you want to go to, means already you have arrived to the station for which you have started, that the name of the station is where you want to go to, and get off here. Get off here means you get down from the train because your destination has arrived. A smiling porter opened the door. Opened the door means which door? The door of a train compartment. So he opened the door with a smile. A porter with a smiling face. Porter, I already told what is the meaning of porter. A coolie. Now, he said, "Come on out, Miss Amabel, unless you want to go to where you don't want to go to." So that porter with a smiling face, he smiled on Amabel and told her that, "Miss Amabel, please get down on this platform unless you don't want to go to in that particular place. Another station is there which the name of that particular station is where you don't want to go to. If you don't want to go to in that particular station, then get down in this station, which is where you want to go to." She hurried out onto the platform and saw ahead of her a crowd. So she get down on the platform of that particular station, that is where you want to go to, and she saw in front of her that a huge crowd was standing. "What's all that?" she asked the friendly potter. She asked that potter, so what's all that? Why the people or why the crowd is standing over there? It's the mayor, dear Miss Amabel, he said. What the potter said? That it's the mayor. Mayor means a person who is elected as a head of a city, or he is the chief of the city. So he is the mayor of this city where you want to go to. Who said this to whom? The potter with a smiling face said this to Miss Amabel. The mayor bowed low to her. Bowed low means already I told, bowed means bend forward for some greeting purpose. You are greeting someone, then you bowed at the front. The mayor bowed low to her and said. To her means the mayor greeted Amabel by bowing and said, welcome, dear Amabel. We know you meant to please your aunt. It's not your fault that you did not know you should ask permission before you touch other people's things. So the very first thought from the mayor's side to Amabel was that welcome. First he greeted him and greeted her and welcomed her to his town, that is where you want to go to, and then he told to her that we know you meant to please your aunt. We know that you plucked the flowers from the greenhouse just to please your aunt, just to make your aunt happy. It is not your fault. That plucking of flowers from the greenhouse was not your fault, because you didn't know that we should ask permission before touching anyone's thing. As our parents, our seniors always try to teach us that don't touch anyone's thing without asking them. So Amabel was not aware of the same thing. She didn't knew that we should ask permission before touching anyone else's thing. So as she was not aware of the same, so she plucked the flowers from the greenhouse, which was supposed to be her aunt's greenhouse. So she has not taken any permission from her aunt. So it was her fault. But as she was not aware of, that is why it was not her fault. She has done it all by mistake. Oh, but, said Amabel, quite confused. I did. Here 3 dots you can see means her conversation is continuing here, but somehow she didn't complete her thoughts due to some reason that we will learn afterwards. Oh, but, said Amabel, quite confused. So she got confused after listening to these words of Mayor. She was trying to say something, but a band started to play and drowned her words. But in the meantime, while she was saying something or she was trying to say something, suddenly a band party started to play their drums and all trumpets and all her words drowned in the sound of the band. The instruments of the band were all of silver. So the instruments, a band that contains drum, trumpets and all, were all of silver, made up of silver, all silver colored. And the bandmen's clothes of white leather. And what they were wearing means the band party, what they were wearing? They were wearing white leather clothes. Means everything was silver and white in color on that platform. There was a flower show and a concert. There was a flower show and a concert of music and all being arranged by the mayor of that town. And there was also a grand dinner with thousands of guests in Amabel's honor. So thousands of guests of that particular town assembled together in Amabel's honor, means as Amabel has arrived to their town, so they were welcoming in honor of Amabel, and they arranged a flower show, a concert and a grand dinner party for Amabel, and they are going to enjoy that evening. Soon the shout went up. Speech, speech. Soon the shout went up. Went up where we shout? Shout of the crowd. Shout of the mass gathering. They started shouting that speech, speech. Speech means they are asking for some speech from Amabel's side. From Amabel's side, they are asking Amabel to give some speech on that particular occasion. Next paragraph we will start in our next video. Thank you.